So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans, coming to you from Pittsburgh Airport with some not so good news to share. I mean, nothing horrible. Could be worse, that's for sure. But Melissa and I have been down here at the airport most of the day today trying to get to the equipment show in Louisville, Kentucky. And we're going to fly to Charlotte and then get a connecting flight from Charlotte to Louisville. But our flight has been delayed a couple times. And our plane from Charlotte to Louisville is taking off in about 5 minutes. So we're definitely not going to make that one. So I called the 800 number and tried to get a later flight tonight from Charlotte to Louisville. No more flights tonight or no more seats. And they're booked all day tomorrow. Right now, Melissa's still in the airport trying to get our luggage off the plane that hasn't taken off yet. So we're not sure what we're going to do, but it's not looking good. I considered just driving. It's about 7-hour drive. It's late in the day now. It's about 4 o'clock to be there tomorrow, but I have a commitment Friday morning as well. I don't know how I'll get back in time for that. So I'm not sure what to do right now, but I'll report back here in a bit once we pick Melissa up, but it's not looking good, unfortunately. So this day just keeps getting better. I'm watching a YouTube video right now, trying to figure out how to get my truck started. It keeps saying no key is detected. I just paid for my parking and I can't even open my door to get out. So check this out. I got the truck started with the remote start. But it keeps saying no key detected. So I'm thinking my battery's dead in my key fob. Gotta figure this out. All right, just watched the YouTube video. Took this little thing out of my cup holder here. That's all there is. Stick your key fob in there and it would start. Huh.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I paid my ticket, the gate went up, but then the battery in my key fob died. I finally got it figured out, and now I can't get the gate to go up by putting the receipt back in.
In front of the gate, does it say 46?
Yes.
Okay, hold on 1 second, please.
Got it, thank you. Now you know why I'm not a big fan of flying, Melissa. What a day.
But we didn't fly anywhere.
We spent the whole day at the airport.
We had a good lunch.
Well, we made it back home, safe and sound. We didn't get to fly anywhere. Here comes the hunt man. Melissa has something for Hunter here. But unfortunately, we are not going to make it. And we're very sorry about that. It's just not going to work out.
It didn't work out. We gave it our best try.
And it is so screwed up anymore. There was a couple there, an older couple, trying to get from Pittsburgh to Ontario, Canada. And they were going to send them to Charlotte first, where we were going to go, which doesn't make any sense. But they were on the phone with them trying to figure that out, and they were going to send them to Phoenix, Arizona, pay for a hotel for them, and then they were going to fly out tomorrow's, afternoon or something, to go to Canada. It makes no sense at all, but I'm kind of disappointed, and I just wanted to throw a video up there as quick as I could, because we told you that we would be there on Thursday, and unfortunately we will not be there. The good news is, if you are committed to going to it, by all indications, it's a fantastic show. There's going to be plenty of things for you to see there. Maybe we'll go next year, and if we do, we'll leave ourselves enough time and plan on driving. I'm going to drive from here on out. I don't have any intentions on flying. I don't. And Louisville, I'm trying to say it right, is one of those tweeners. You know, people fly from here to DC. I'm like, I can literally get in my truck and be there faster than you can fly, because you're going to be at the airport 2 hours before. It's a whole thing. Down there, it's borderline. But today, we left the house at 10:30. It's 5 p.m. right now. So we could have almost been there if we left this morning instead of going to the airport. It's the getting home thing that was the problem if we'd have left this afternoon. But it's just not going to work out. We apologize if it's any inconvenience. And
yeah, hopefully you'll see this in time to make your adjustments in your plans.
Yeah.
But it's a good show, so I'm sure you weren't just going to see us. Go enjoy the show, and maybe we can meet up another time.
I feel like we went on a trip. I'm like exhausted just from being at the airport all day. I don't like anything about it.
Well, you want to hear a funny story about the truck?
I told him that in the video.
Oh.
I showed him. Wouldn't start. I'll tell you another funny story before we wrap this up. I kind of breezed right through the security. I only got felled up just a little bit. Melissa wasn't so lucky, and it was a woman. Thank goodness, but yeah, so that's how we spent our day.
Yeah, so I thought I had the perfect outfit. It was just some leggings and this pullover. I could put my phone in this pocket and my driver's license ID in this pocket. She said, you have zippers. I have zippers in both of my legs of my leggings.
On your shoulder and
my
your chest.
Shoulders, and she's like, that's what throws things off. Then, yeah. So
she got the full treatment.
I got my money's worth.
But anyway, once again, sorry. I'm going to go in, upload this video as quick as I can, and let all you guys know, and hopefully we'll make it work next time.
Thanks.